Well, I'm about 15 minutes from Calais now. We are catching the Eurotunnel back to England shortly. So yes, I thought I would just come and show you guys these incredible chalk cliffs which are here in this northern part of France, just south of Calais. This is a Cap Blanc-Neige, which means a cap of the white nose, which because the chalks are obviously, the cliffs are obviously very white, and they just stretch away behind me. You can see over these rocks. I'm crouched down behind these rocks just to get out the wind a bit because it's so windy out on the beach. And it's not far from here where it's reported that in 1944 sort of D-Day landings, there were waves and waves of hummingbird hawk moths, one of our fastest flying insects at 12 miles an hour, that travelled from here over to the UK. So really nice to learn that about this area. And a bit further up the cliffs, it's quite fitting really that I've sort of ended this trip around France looking at a colony of kittiwakes, which got that classic kittiwake, which reminds me of seeing the kittiwakes and the gannets when I was filming those about a month ago on one of the north coasts of Scotland. So from Scotland to the Pyrenees and back up to the north coast of France. It's been a bit of a journey over the last month, but really enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys have learned something from this brief tour of France. And yes, those of you that are watching from the UK, obviously you're about 30 odd miles in that direction over the waves, so I'll be with you shortly. But yes, I really hope you've enjoyed the video, enjoyed some of this very brief tour of France. Like I say, some of the wildlife, flora and fauna, and obviously check out the France playlist that's on the channel, where you can find more specific videos on some of the different sites that I've seen all around France. It's just been an incredible journey. Even had a male hen harrier just zip over the car on the way here, which was really, really lovely to see. You've not seen one of those for a little while. And yes, if you ever get a chance to visit this part of France, make sure you do. The north coast of France, some gorgeous, gorgeous beaches. The sand is perfect. The sea is a wonderful colour. And of course, you've got these lovely rocky coastlines, which just, well, if you're a kid and you want to go rock pooling, there's worse places. So yes, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, guys. So feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give the video a like, and I'm going to leave you now with a few shots of the beach and of these wonderful, magnificent cliffs. Obviously, where the UK many years ago, the White Cliffs of Dover obviously are very similar to this, where the UK broke away from mainland Europe many thousands of years ago, and yes, was once part of these cliffs. So really nice to see, and thank you so much for watching, guys. As I say, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give the video a like, and I'll be sure to bring you many more videos on all the ways in which you can help wildlife in videos to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.